So today we're going to be making roasted garlic crab. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some fresh cut cilantro that I purchased from Target, 3 lemons, whole black peppercorn. You'll need obviously a grinder to grind up these, some Old Bay seasoning, garlic salt, Lowry's garlic salt, and I'm going to be using 4 cloves of garlic, and these oven bags that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can see what other things I purchased from there. And then I'll show you, I already have all the crab cut up and ready to go. So, well, not cut, but broken apart. So, first thing we want to do is cut up our garlic. Well, I also forgot to mention we're going to be using, I usually use a half stick of butter, but this is all I have left, so I'm just going to use about that much. So now I put my half stick of butter in one bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and squeeze my lemon juice into another bowl. So I squeeze all my lemon juice. I use all 3 lemons in this bowl. And now I'm going to go ahead and melt the butter in the microwave, and we're going to go ahead and pour the butter into the. So now I've mixed my lemon juice and my butter. So now we're going to go ahead and season the crab with our Old Bay, our garlic salt, and our pepper. And once I do that, I'll come back and show you guys what I couldn't find my pepper grinder for the whole peppercorn. So I just went ahead and seasoned with my Old Bay seasoning. And when I looked at the ingredients, it actually came with black pepper. So I used that. I used my garlic salt. And I just seasoned it generously, as you can see. Just seasoned to taste. So now we're going to go ahead and put the crab into our oven bags. So now we're going to add our crab to our oven bags that we have here. And this comes 4 bags. $4, and they look like this. They're just clear, and they come with ties to keep them closed in the oven. So they look like that, just clear bags, and you can open them up. We're going to go ahead and put the crab inside of the bag. And then I like to add just a little bit more seasoning into the bag. I don't really worry about it being too salty, because when you add the lemon juice and butter, some of it is going to slide off. So I just add a little bit more into the bag so it can soak in the seasoning. And then we're going to go ahead and add our parsley and our garlic into the bag, so that it can just cook in that flavor. And I'm going to add my lemon juice and my butter into the bag as well. Okay. Then I like to, it's going to look like that. So I just like to move the crab around in there. Shake it around. Okay. And again, I'll do one more time of the seasoning, just so it has some on top. And you guys don't have to put as much as me, but again, the lemon juice and the butter kind of like wipes it off. So now you just twist it, and then you're gonna go ahead and add your tie wrap. Just stick it through the hole and pull it. good. So it looks like that. And then I'm just going to put it in the pan, back in the pan, and we're going to put it in the oven. And I have my oven preheated for 350 degrees. So we're going to open it up and take a look inside. So when you open it up, it's going to steam out, and that's what it's looking like. Nice and seasoned. And we're going to go ahead and serve it with some garlic noodles that I just made. And I'll show you guys the finished product. Here you have the finished product. Should look like that. Homemade garlic noodles. I'll have that recipe up next. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.